Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydrian. Jamaica Carnival 2024 dubbed the biggest yet. The curtains may be down on the carnival season, but it remains fresh on the lips of many as memories run rampant in the minds of revelers and onlookers following Sunday's Road March. But that's not the only reason why. This year's staging of Carnival in Jamaica is said to be the biggest according to preliminary data. The season, which was projected to earn $5 billion in revenue, is said to have exceeded that amount according to the Jamaica Tourist Board. Carnival in Jamaica climaxed with the highly anticipated Road March on Sunday, which saw an estimated 10,000 revelers across all three bands, which topped the 2019 figure, which was dubbed the biggest year yet. Speaking Monday evening on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines, Chairman of Jamaica Carnival, Kamo Banky, stated that this year's staging is the biggest.
Pre-COVID 2019 was our biggest year, and COVID happened, and then we slowly started to get out of the slump. 2022 summer, which was kind of like the do-over from 2020. 2023 was obviously better than 2022, and 2024 seems to be our biggest year ever since we started this project in 2017, which is called and branded Carnival in Jamaica.
A pile of dump, but who's to be blamed? Monday, residents of New Kingston and Hope Road area and various stakeholders expressed concern about the state of the roadways following Sunday's Road March. This has sparked several conversations with the fingers being pointed to Carnival organizers for their failure to clean the streets after Sunday's Road March. However, Chairman of Carnival in Jamaica, Kamo Banky, questioned who should be held accountable for the cleanup of the garbage after the bands have played their part in the cleanup process.
If you understand how the process works, Carnival in Jamaica, you have the parades and they have their cleanup crews behind them, and then you have watch parties, which they obviously apply to KCMC to get a permit to have their event in a particular geographical space, whether it is a business place or a parking lot or whatever. And the owner or the renter of that space obviously holds them accountable to clean up their own area, right? But then when people that are coming out of there, late in the night after the bands have passed, and they're walking back to their car and they're depositing various types of things, where does that responsibility lie? Does that lie with the City of Kingston? Does that lie with the event organizer who paid the City of Kingston a permit fee? Does it, lie with the band who has passed and is not allowed to stay on the road after 6 p.m. and these little things happen way into the night?
Now, Beyonce's Cowboy Carter is creating history. According to Billboard, the superstar has made history as the first black woman to come in at #1 on the country albums chart with Act 2, Cowboy Carter. The new collection also tops the Billboard 200 album start, marking Beyonce's 8th time doing so. In February, she also made history with one of her debut singles from the album Texas Hold'em, capturing the top spot on Billboard's Hot Country Songs chart. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydrian. Thank you for watching.